Am I really that much? And breaking these niggas down like a camel. You don't really know you. Think I'm saving you.
I do that 3-4 times again. I testify for you. I told that like you, that bitch I do it all. I won't cry, was kidding. I'm not. Long as you joking, now it's for me. I ain't got it. I've been skinning do it. I your body. As long as you dreaming about me, ain't no problem. I don't got nobody just with you right now. But the truth, I look better under you. I can't lose when I'm with you. Take a hold when you're not here. Ain't a home when you're not here. I'll be home when you're not here. I'm saying I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I lose and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you do. I can't lose when I'm with you. How can I snooze and miss the moment? You just too important. Nobody like you.
Y'all, so I am currently at work right now, and y'all saw me just straighten up a little bit earlier today. Yes, I still got my button on. I'm a button around the house, but anyways, I am at work doing some back office work. My suit wanted me to stay kind of back here and low key today, cause I'm at Matrix and I'm ahead of everybody, so which is good news. It's a light day for me. Still a little sleepy, but it's good. It's good. Yeah, nothing too much. I think back office is kind of caught up, pretty much. So I'm just really just chilling, doing some watching of what is this, Hulu. I'm watching First 48. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on. Not too much. I'm probably going to read if I read my book later on. But yeah, I gotta cook some tacos in probably an hour and a half, around 6. I'm gonna cook some tacos. So I may show you guys me cooking some tacos for the family. So yeah, that's pretty much what's going on right now. Nothing too much. So I will get with you guys later. Just want to do a little check-in and keep you updated what I was doing. So see you in a few. So tacos and some rice and corn is what I'm gonna eat for dinner. A bite. Mmm. Mmm, 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 mmm. Mmm. Good. So, just want to show you guys what I'm eating. It's delicious. So I'm gonna finish this. Be back with you guys later. Hey guys. It is Saturday. I'm just picking off what I left off because today will be the last day of this vlog. I just did my hair. So the last clip y'all saw me, I had the last clip y'all saw me on, I had my faux locks on. I took those down not yesterday, day before yesterday. So it's been a couple of days since y'all saw me. So I took those down, pre-poo, did an oil treatment on my hair, and I put this wig in. I do have a video that I did record of me installing this hair. So yeah, that will be coming out. But yeah, where we going to now is going to the mall. I usually, when I've been seeing me on the weekends, I've just been going around the local area, but I am going to the mall that I usually go to before I move back down this way. But yeah, that's pretty much what's going on too. I know Sephora having their sale, so I do want to stop by at Sephora. I do got like 2 Sephoras that I'm close to, but they're like in Kohl's, and I want to go to a real Sephora. So what I'm doing now is going and fill up my car with gas, and then I'm headed to there. So yeah, y'all just follow me through the day. I'm supposed to go to the movies tonight. We'll see. But yeah, that's what we're going to. That's really just all. I do gotta go grocery, but I can do a Walmart delivery tomorrow. But I don't know, depending on what time, because right now it's almost 1 o'clock. But anywho, don't want to ramble too long and make this a car vlog or anything like that, because I've been in the car a lot. So I'll be back with you guys. So I am leaving the mall, and I just got some shoes from Tjmaxx, and it's busy at the mall. So yeah, let me get to my car. I'm gonna show y'all my shoes that I got from the actual mall, because it's kind of packed in here, and I'm actually going to the food court. So, but not too bad. I'll be back. Alright y'all, so I am currently leaving the mall. I went to Sephora, but they still a lot of the stuff they were out of, so yeah, but I did get some shoes from Tjmaxx, and the mall is really busy, and parking was a mess here, so that's why, another reason why I didn't vlog too much in here. I did try to vlog in Sephora, but they told me to put my camera away, and plus there's too many people in there to do that. So yeah. So right now, I don't know where I'm about to go. I think I'm going to Tjmaxx while I'm on this side of town. Let's go to Tjmaxx. So yeah, I just got some of the don'ts, which they're white and blue. So when I get in the car, I'll show you guys. So let me go ahead and get to the car. I'll be right back, y'all. It's here. Yo, I'm trying to hurry up and get in my car so somebody get behind me and wait on me and rush me. So, and here they are. They're already coming, but they're gonna have to wait. Wait till the light adjusts to the sunlight. Come on. Come on. Here we go. Alright, so the shoes I got, they're waiting on me, y'all. They're waiting on me. It's just some regular don'ts. The little white ones. Let me go ahead and back out. They are going to get on my nerves. But let me get back with y'all guys when I actually get to Tjmaxx. So, no luck in Tjmaxx. They didn't really have too much of nothing, and the line was long. I did find some cute little Steve Madden shoes that was cute, but it was not worth standing in line when 30 people are already in line for. So I know that when you go to Tjmaxx and all that, you have to go early to beat the line. If you go late in the day and you don't got a lot of stuff, it's not gonna be worth it. So yeah, hold on. But yeah, and I also saw that those masks, but I saw those same masks by my house, so I'll probably swing by there and get those masks, cause you find them a lot at Tjmaxx. Or I made there's a Tjmaxx on the way home, so I may just run in there and get that because they had the brightening ones. They finally got the brightening ones, and that's what I like, brightening stuff on my face. So I'm gonna stop there, but I'm not gonna film that because it's gonna be kind of a quick thing. That's what I want. I'm gonna see if my sister wants something to eat while I'm gonna head it back that way. Head back that way. Cause like I say, I do want to take a nap because I do supposed to go to the movies later. It's a late movie, so, and then I gotta get up early in the morning, so I need to take me a nap. Cause you know, after you get turned 25, those naps come in handy. So yeah, it's currently 3 o'clock, so I should be able to. I just need like a couple hours, like a light nap. So let me go ahead and get to my side and jam out, and I'll be back with you guys when I get probably home or before. But I'll see you next clip. I bet. So I am picking up me and my sister's Chipotle. She said she wanted some Chipotle, so I was heading home. So I'm closer to the one we go to, because the one by the house, not the best. So we'll go the one a couple of exits up. So, and this one is a plus because it got like a little drive though. You can actually drive around and pick up your food. Hopefully they don't be tripping on me when I ask for the dressing. She wants some dressing, so we'll see. Hold on. I'm far away from the window. Hold on. Too far away. And
What's the name?
Charlene or Tasha.
You said Charlene. What's the last name?
Davis.
Davis.
Yes, sir. Can I have 3 dressings? Thank you. Oh, thank you, sir. See, that's what I like. People that don't trip about stuff that's not yours. You didn't put it in the order, so we can't give it to you. You got to place the order. Just give me the dang on dressing. But yeah, I am headed to the house now. The food is secured. So let me get to the house, and I'll be back when I get ready to eat. So yeah. So now I'm headed back out. I'm headed to the grocery store, y'all. I just had to go. So they messed up our order, so I just told my sister I just go get some few items. She's gonna replace the order from Walmart, but I'm just, 1, I'm hungry, and 2, oh yeah, this is the next morning, y'all. So it's like 9 o'clock in the morning, so I'm just going to the grocery store because I didn't get no sleep really last night. I was talking to her all last night. I don't know what it was, but I am tired. But like I said, I want to go ahead and get the groceries this morning. I can go back home and lay down for an hour or two and take a nap because my eyes is just really heavy right now. I feel like I actually feel like I've been up for like over 24 hours now. Like I don't know what it was. I think if anything, I did drink a frappe, so that maybe that caffeine kind of killed me up. I did drink that around 4 or 5, so I don't know if that may be the reason, but yeah, right now we're going to get a few items for the store, Publix, Walmart. I may go to Kroger, I'm not sure, or I may just go to Kroger. Well, Walmart may most likely have everything I need. So, well, anywho, let me go ahead and get to the store. I just want to come and tell y'all gave y'all a little update of what's going on. Let me get to the store and I'll be back, y'all. I'm sleepy. So I am done with the little outing. I just went to Publix and Walmart. I didn't get, like I said, too much because my sister did order. I just got some alkaline water, some fruit. I got some fish. I'll probably cook some fish and some rice and some Brussels sprouts. I got a little thing, so I'm going to probably show y'all when I actually get home what I actually got. My eyes, like, y'all, I feel like weight is on my eyes. I can barely keep them open right now. That's how I feel. Like, and I bought an energy drink. I got Lonnie, but it's like if I need sleep. So if I drink that, I gotta be up. So I think I'm just gonna take a nap, like a 2-hour nap, and then take the Lonnie, and then probably go to bed early tonight. That's probably what I'm gonna do. Cause I still haven't watched that episode of Power from Friday, cause today's Sunday, Friday. So I still haven't watched that. So I gotta watch that later on, but at least my errands is out the way, like the grocery store and stuff I needed to go is out the way. But yeah, let me get to the house, y'all.